The pressure was 30.02 meters.
During potentially dangerous weather situations, especially will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the warnings for the following counties and marine areas in near southeast New Jersey: Atlantic, Burlington, Cape May, Cumberland, and Ocean, including the Atlantic coastal waters from Swan Inlet, New Jersey to Cape Henlopen, Delaware out 40 nautical miles, and all of Delaware Bay. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA weather radio all hazards. Station KHB38 in Atlantic City, New Jersey. Thank you for listening to NOAA weather radio all hazards.
Carolina, Dorchester, Wicomico, and Worcester. And on the marine, the coastal waters from Great Bay Inlet, New Jersey south to Chicoteague, Virginia out 40 nautical miles, including Delaware Bay. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA weather radio all hazards. Station WXJ94 in Lewis, Delaware. Thank you for listening to NOAA weather radio all hazards.